Suppose Mr. Fox invested $250,000 now and $100,000 after 2 years in an annuity that earned interest compounded monthly. This annuity paid $3,000 at the end of each month. Experiment with the following different interest rates to see how long it will be with each rate until this annuity has an account balance of 0, A 6.5%, B 9%. An annuity may be defined as a series of payments made at equal intervals of time. Ordinary annuities are annuities in which the payments are made at the end of each of the equal payment intervals. First, we have to take the principal 2 years to the future. The future value is $284,607.2332. Then we add the amount that Mr. Fox invested 2 years later, and that is the new present value. With the new present value, we use a formula to calculate the time. As a result, this person will have an account balance of 0 after 18.28 years. We take the principal 2 years to the future. With the new interest rate, we use the future value formula. Adding the amount that Mr. Fox invested 2 years later, we have the new present value. Using the formula for time, we obtain the number of periods. Mr. Fox will have an account balance of 0 in 68.03 years. First, we take the second amount of the deposit 2 years back to the present in order to know the value of the money in the present. We have to add to this present value the initial deposit. We have to take this amount 2 years to the future. Then we have to find the number of payments with the formula of time. Finally, Mr. Fox will have an account balance of 0 in 18.28 years. We bring the second amount of the deposit 2 years back to the present in order to know the value of the money in the present. We have to add the first deposit to this amount. Second, we take this amount 2 years in the future. Then we have to find the number of payments. Finally, Mr. Fox will have an account balance of 0 in 68.03 years.